Hey y'all, Mower Outlaw here. Out in the garage. Got my little Outlaw with me. We're gonna do a little work on his GT 6000 today. Or tonight, whatever you want to call it. So, that's what we're doing. What are we doing today?
Ammo box and a bumper.
So we're gonna put ammo box on the side. Right? Where do you want the ammo box? So you want it right there. Okay, and then what else are we doing?
And ammo box.
Yep, the ammo box. But what else are we doing besides the ammo box?
Drilling it. So we can put it right there.
Okay. And what are we doing after that?
Bumper.
Where's that going? Right there? Okay.
Like that.
That's how it's gonna look?
Yep.
Okay.
Doing the box stuff. Sit down. Sit down.
Broke the bit.
Ooh.
Broke it.
Phone fresh. Put that on the scooter. Put that on the wheel. Turn that. Turn that one. Turn that one too. That's easy.
Uh-oh.
What?
The drill died.
So can we use another one?
Just get another battery.
Another battery.
That's why we always keep them charging.
Yep.
That's why we have extras.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa!
Whoa! That's fast.
Don't touch, please.
No,
So what are we doing now, buddy?
the bumper.
No, not the bumper. This is the ammo box. You putting them bolts in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you see the hole? Hold on. Hey, out of the box for a minute. Okay, stop. I went to do something, and I was like, you know what? I should record this and let people see that what we're doing. So I did. So, check this out. And we've decided to go this route. Basically, we took some of the decaling off, some of the stuff that was on there where it said Kohler Magnum. Took that off. We're gonna leave it factory paint. Except that black, I might paint that, but we're just gonna put stickers on it, kind of like a race car. The body's very clean, except that one rust hole you can see right there. I'm gonna patch over that with diamond plate, but excuse me. We're just gonna decal it up a little bit. He loves this box. This is legitimately a garden tractor, Craftsman. This has a hydro, but it is a big hydro. Oops, something just fell off. There's the clutch that is for basically set up for a horizontal shaft. And that's the way the input is on this hydro, is horizontal. This has got hydraulic lines, it's got filters, it's got everything. It's a big one. So I had a thought, since it was already horizontal, let's keep it horizontal. I popped the headlight lens out to, clean it, because look behind there. I was going to see if I could make it clean and, make it work, or if I should, black it out or something and add some headlights later. So I figured to give it a shot with stock. So I pulled it off, and it was all tan. It was all gross in there. So I took a rag and I wiped half of it. and it's crazy. Look at the difference. This is a greasy, dirty rag.
Can I clean it?
Go ahead, buddy. Go back and, yeah, there you go. Go back and forth. Oh, look. There you show you.
Okay.
Okay. You do it. This kid loves to help. So that was the difference. I mean, it was terrible. So now I'm gonna try to wipe the inside of this, see if it does anything. Go ahead, give it a wipe.
It's not doing anything.
Nah, no different. But in there is different, and I guarantee it's gonna reflect a lot more than it did. So, so that was that. That's actually a lot better looking. Let me see. Here, now try. Might fit a little better when it's not upside down. You gotta watch, okay? Hey, you gotta line up all of them at once. There you go. Push. Push it in. Push. So, now that we've got the headlight, the inside of the headlight cleaned, he's working on the outside. I'll show you guys this weird idea I had. Kind of crazy, kind of odd, kind of different. My father's got like 6 snowblowers, and one of them was basically just for parts. So we figured instead of storing it, because they don't store very easy, they're awkward shaped. I was like, well, we'll strip it. We just wanted the tires, the cables, and the engine, basically. Because all it was, you know, worth keeping to us. So I'm going to put a snowblower engine in it. Very reliable. I'm not a big fan of Tecumseh engines in general, but for a snowblower, these engines are awesome. Absolutely fantastic. I can rebuild one of these carburetors with my eyes closed. I've done small engine repair for years, and this is the most popular snowblower engine. It is more than a dime a dozen. Parts are so interchangeable. And these starters that are 110 starter, the bolt pattern, the teeth, everything are the same starter as an 80s style Tecumseh flathead. So, lawnmower engine, a vertical. So, all you gotta do is swap them over, and then I can wire it up to be in a garden tractor. So that's the plan. Basically, to mount it, what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to get a plate of steel and go from here all the way to here, all the way over and back. One humongous plate of steel. And I'll probably attach this after. This is going to come off. This and this will come off. And I will put the plate there. I can't decide if I'm going to bolt it or if I'm going to weld it and make it solid. And then I'll be able to put the engine wherever I want, back and forth, side to side, wherever it need be. And I can also think about internally mounting a winch and maybe mounting the battery in the back more, or just putting it up here. You know, I could also put an ammo can in here for storage. Who knows? Well, anyway, that's what it is. That's where we're at so far. So, like, comment. I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, click that subscribe. Red letters. It's not that hard, and you'll get updated. You get to see all the other stuff I'm doing. I think I got a ride coming up in like a week or so, so there'll be some video from that. Yeah, Mower Outlaw. Tell your friends, alright? Little Outlaw is staring at tools. That kid is awesome. We'll see you later.